Hi, Miss Parsons here, and today I'm going to show you how to make something to decorate your house, to make these lovely little sort of flowers that you can put up in your window, you can put in your bedroom, you can have a tea party outside with them, a little picnic. I just think they're really, really pretty and they're really, really easy to make. So to make one of these, you will need some string. I've just cut some wool, you could use ribbon, anything that you can just tie nicely. You'll need some scissors, be really careful in case they're sharp, some glue and some colourful paper. So this is actually the outside of what my toilet roll comes in. It just happens to come in really nice paper. You could use wrapping paper, you could use tissue paper, you could draw a really lovely picture on some paper, and anything really, but this paper is quite thin, which makes it a bit easier to use for making one of these. So let me show you how to do it. So really nice and simple to make one of these. You just need to fold your paper back and forth in a concertina. So I'm going to fold a little bit over, and I'm going to flip over my paper. I'm going to fold it back on itself. And I'm going to fold it back, and I'm going to do the same thing over and over again until I get to the very end. Don't worry if your folding's not the neatest, you won't be able to tell once it's all finished. So we're going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So you've got this little sort of concertina, and you can already see how it's shaping out to be one of those stars. Now you can leave the edges straight if you want to just make a circle, but if you want to make something that looks a bit more like a star or a flower, what you can do now is cut these ends into a shape. So I'm going to go for a triangle shape, so I'm just going to cut one little section off. I'm going to cut this other little half off. So I've got a little pointed end. I'm going to do the exact same thing on this other side. So I'm going to snip and snip. I'm going to put all these pieces to one side because I'll put them in the recycling bin later. And now you see I've just got two pointy ends. So I've got this set down, and I'm going to get my string. Now I'm going to put this underneath my paper, and I'm going to tie a knot in my string. I'm going to tie a double knot so it's extra firm, and then I'm actually going to flip everything round and tie another knot on the other side, just to make sure that the knots don't come undone and it doesn't all start falling apart. Now I'm going to make sure that my knot's in the middle. It doesn't matter if it's wandered a bit, I can always push it up. And then I'm going to put some glue along one side. If you don't have glue, don't worry, they sort of hold their own shape anyway, but I managed to find some glue in my house, so I'm going to show you what you can do with this one. So you fold it over and match up the gluey side. And you can see it all sits together, and in fact that looks like a bit like a peacock. You can make like a little peacock's body, make some little peacocks hang around your house as well. And we'll just do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to fold everything together so I don't unstick what I've already stuck. Put a little bit of glue on one side, and then carefully I'm going to get my string out of the way. I'm going to cut my string really, really short so it doesn't get in the way, because I don't really want to see that. And I'm going to fold this all the way around. Ooh, it's a bit fiddly. And stick it all the way together. And now I've got a lovely star that I can hang up in the window. You could maybe do some in different rainbow colours to say thank you to the NHS. You could do some lovely drawings. You could see if you could cut extra little holes in them. Could you turn them into like snowflakes? I'm not really sure. I've not experimented too much with these, but I'd love to see some ones that you've made and how you managed to decorate your house with them. Thanks, bye.